Trying to find the right information and resources for Amazon KDP can be at times difficult to navigate through. Now, I've been creating resources and information for about the last 12 months. Therefore, what I've wanted to do is create an all-in-one document that makes it even easier to find. Now, if you haven't been to this channel, welcome. My name is Romney, and I talk about a lot of things about self-publishing. Now, one of those areas of self-publishing is finding the resources that will help you to scale. Now, over the last 12 months, there have been quite a few documents I've created, but if you just want them all into one document, easy to find and locate, then this might be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do is run through just a few components of this document, because it might actually help you to get all of that information in the one place. It'll provide links to different software, different resources, different videos I've created, so therefore it's much easier to navigate. So let me show you a few of those aspects of this free downloadable resource, and I'm going to provide the link below that you can actually use to be able to access that document. So let's have a look now. So this is the KDP Resources Guide for self-publishers. I'll go through a few pages to show you some of the information that is involved with this publication, so it's nice and easy to navigate through, and you'll see what you can download. So I'll just flip through a couple of the pages. So just a bit of an introduction about the book and how that's going to help you. Then we've also got an introduction about what is KDP, the pros and cons to KDP as well. Then I'll go into free resources. There's different free tools, how to boost the book sales. There's different tools for the videos that I've got, and links, so you can go directly to the links to the videos that might be able to help you. I've also included the 3 steps to more book sales, so that's included there as well, so I'll skip through this quickly. Then I've also got different software that you can use, so I've got all the links there too. How to build an email list, there's all that information there as well. So there's plenty of information that you will be able to access as part of this book. If I go all the way back again, this will be the resource that you can actually download and use. There's about 60 pages worth of information in here, and it covers everything that you'll need, including previous documents or resources I've created, just so it's in that all-in-one document for you to navigate through and to find. So hopefully that will help you with your publishing, no matter whether you're new to KDP, whether you're experienced and you just want to see other resources or materials that might help you with your publishing journey. There might be videos that you've missed that I've done previously with free downloadable resources, and you'll just have the links directly to them from this resource. Just make sure you check out the link below in the description, and that'll take you to a landing page where you can simply just go in and enter your details, and I'll show you that in a moment. So via the link in the description, it'll take you directly to this landing page, and all you need to do is scroll down, fill in your name, address, and then that will go directly to your inbox, and you can print it off, you can keep it online, you can click it. It's all interactive with the links, so it's easy to use even if you don't want to download the document. So that's the way to access the KDP Resources Guide for self-publishers. So over the past 12 months, I've created over 100 videos now for YouTube. There's going to be plenty of information there that you can look through that will help your publishing with Amazon KDP, even IngramSpark. But in this resource, I've also got links to my most popular videos and playlists. There's links to my courses, plenty of courses to choose from that might also help you. One's on Amazon KDP, there's a beginner course, and there's also an accelerator course for publishers that want a bit more information. It's got about 50 lessons in it. It's called the Publishing Accelerator. I've also got a course about how to create a standout book cover for Amazon KDP, and also a new one about creating children's picture storybooks. It's all there. You can also get free resources via my Gumroad store. There's a link in the resource for that too. So hopefully all of that helps you, regardless of where you are on your journey for Amazon KDP. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to sharing more content with my next video. See you later.